Israel transfers approximately 260 trucks carrying 6,000 tons of goods to Gaza every day. Recently, over the course of a week in May 2011, 1,248 trucks were transferred from Israel to Gaza, 385 trucks carrying food, 340 trucks carrying construction material, and 523 trucks carrying a variety of other goods, for a total of 34,012 tons of products altogether. Israel has the ability to transfer twice the amount of goods entering the Gaza Strip every day. That is 400 trucks carrying 12,000 tons of goods a day, 60,000 tons of goods a week, 260,000 tons of goods a month, and 3,120,000 tons of goods a year. Ultimately, however, demands for amounts of goods come from the Palestinian people. To give some perspective, the last flotilla to Gaza carried only 4,000 tons of goods to the Gaza Strip, consisting mostly of expired medical equipment. This makes up just 2/3 of what Israel transfers to Gaza daily. So where does the real help come from?